to add tiles to the existing layout. So you've got walls and a slab, a concrete slab, and we're going to show you how we can add two different tiles. So we go to the materials database, and here we're going to add two new tiles, tile number 1 and tile number 2. How do we add the new tiles? Either from photograph, or we can go to the internet and look for the type of tiles we want to have for tile number 1 and 2. So we go for 600 by 600. We pick as per your taste. So this one is going to be our first tile. So you have to ensure when you're saving this particular image, it is being saved in the appropriate format, that is JPEG. So then we move on to the second one. So this is going to be our second one, and again we have to ensure that it is JPEG. So here we're going just to check on our desktop where we have saved the tiles, whether it has been saved in the format JPEG. So we go to the Explorer, and as you can see, both are in JPEG. Alright, now we're going to add the tiles to the database. So we open the materials browser, and then we're going to delete the one existing, alright, and we're going to create a new one. So create new material, so it appears as default new material. We rename it to tile type 1 600 by 600. Now the naming is based on what you prefer. So now we've got our tile type 1, but with nothing in it. So we're going to add it. So we've got 3 tabs: identity, graphics, and appearance. So we're going to go into identity, where we need to provide certain information like description we would like to use for this specific tile. The class, since it's ceramic, we're going to make it ceramic. Any comments, any manufacturer if known. The cost per square meter could be inserted and later on used, so we can put a value. Alright, it has to be a value. Then we go to graphics. So here we're going to go to model, and we look for a tile which is 600 by 600. We double click on it, and here we can make certain changes like the size, or if we want it to be crosshairs or things like that. So just for the sake of this exercise, we're going to make it blue. Then we move on to appearance. This is where the tile we're going to put in, how it's going to appear. So we put it in plain mode. So now we need to load the image. So it is stock in the desktop. So type 1, we load it, and this is how it's going to appear. So we need to make modification because currently it's 300 by 300. So we need to change it under scale, and here we put it to 600 by 600. You're going to notice next to it a link. If you remove the link, you can change each of them differently, but if you press on the link, once you change the top one, it's going to amend the second one as the first one. So we have to ensure it is 600 by 600. We press OK, and now we are ready to put it on the floor.